Yeah, hello friends. Today you got Bug Catcher Pete with you, and we're gonna be opening up this Pokemon trading card game booster pack. This one's from the Sword and Shield Fusion Strike set. And I get this stuff from this local place, Top Deck Keep. It's a really good store. Like if you're local to Riverside, like they're good. They deal with you properly, I think. Um, they just go on TCG and when they're buying and selling, which I think is nice. They have other stuff too, Funko Pops, and they'll let you play. They have tables and stuff set up for all kinds of tabletop things to go on. Oh man, I heard a rumor that if you get this kind, that's a good pack. So we'll see, huh? Alright. Okay, so three, we do this. Oh, whoops, whatever. Oh, I got a bug. First one, look, Slagoon. Soft tissue Pokemon. I mean, that looked like a slug. I guess technically slugs and snails are mollusks, right? So not really a bug. Um, okay, well whatever. Anyway, quality on some of these cards has gotten so much better since the game first came out. Ooh, Shauna. Then draw 5 cards. Okay, that's the same as I've got another one, Kabu, that does the same thing, I think. Oh, ooh, you know something? I mean, you could slap that. I don't know. It feels like a long run type of thing, but that's fine. Okay. Karn. Ooh, we got us a fish. That's probably the magic carp that, like they say that there's like a more dangerous magic carp. That's probably a. Hmm? Camberl? Camperl. Oh, maybe that's like a. That's cool. That's cool. Two-sided. Mm-hmm. Skarmory. Mm-hmm. Armored bird. Pokemon. Ah, okay. Alright. This guy's got some. This guy's got some potential. Single strike. Oh, snaps! I've been needing another one of these. Shelmet. Oh, Shelmet. Shelmet. I know. It's technically a mollusk, but I'm gonna have it. Yeah. Oh, a trainer. I've pulled so few trainers. I mean, I think I've pulled like maybe 10 trainers. Okay, so you need an item. Look a coin. Oh, okay. any card. You could use this to search, and then you would know for sure if something that you wanted was prized or not. And plus, you don't got to tell your opponent, like, oh, I'm looking for this card. Although maybe they might want you to do that, like a tournament or something. That's an okay card, dude. I think, that could fit into certain strategies. Whoa, oh man. Oh ho ho ho, oh ho ho ho, look at that. Oh dang, all shiny and junk too. Oh bro, with the black border, full art with the electric. Look at that. Oh man, that thing looks sick. Pikachu, Pikachu. Yeah, that's pretty cool looking. Dang, that's like a dope looking card. Oh man, I'm gonna have to look that up. Like if it's not too expensive, I know somebody who will want that. And then we got the energy, obviously. Dark energy, I think that is. Dude, that card looks sick. Yeah, I know somebody who would definitely want that. If it's it's funny. You can see a card like this, and to me, I'm impressed with this card. Look at all the features. It's got the hollow. It's full art. It's got I don't know what that's called, where it's like shiny on some of the text. Yeah, I'm not too familiar with all of the terminology. Yeah, that looks cool though. Guy looks cool, and then this guy's. I think they call this reverse hollow. When it's like this. Skarmory. After. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's not too bad. Not too bad. Alright, so wrap all that up. Okay, so thank you so much for being with me on my Pokemon journey. I appreciate you guys joining me. And so I thought that I might go right ahead and let you guys have, this code. Let you enjoy it. But not just that, a couple of other codes fell off a truck. So, you should totally have these too. Because, I appreciate you watching me pull these cards. It's like one of the funnest aspects of the game for me, personally. And, yeah. So, yeah, you might have to, pause the video or something like that to, get, the codes, right? But, just go ahead and take all the time that you need. There's some more coming, actually. I've got, some more fell off a truck. I was spending some time down at the dock, and there was this stuff under a truck. Under the truck. I found these. Under a truck. Can you imagine? Man, game rumors used to be impossible to disprove. It was so fun. You could just come up with anything and tell people about it on the playground. And so, but to be fair, there were a lot of things that were sort of outlandish but turned out to be true. like this thing with like the star and the Indian on the Pops lollipops, you know. A lot of candy stores would give you a free lollipop if you did that. If you turned it in the wrapper. But yeah, hey, totally appreciate you guys being here with me. But that's gonna wrap it up for me. You guys, I hope that you're having a really good day, and that you continue to do so. Bye.